Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the most weighted and most frequently asked question, that is life insurance. So today we are going to discuss about life insurance and its types. So let's get started. First of all, the starting introduction. If anyone depends on you financially, finding the best life insurance for your situations is essential. 44% of US households would face financial hardship within 6 months if the primary wage earned died. And for 28%, it would be just 1 month, according to LIMRA, an industry funded research firm. Life insurance is one way to replace your income if you die unexpectedly. Life insurance policies usually fall into two main buckets: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Now we are going to discuss about these two things, but before this I have a request. Please do like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also press the bell notification to get new information from my channel. So now the first one and the most one is term life insurance. Term life insurance is lets you lock in rates for a particular length of time, like 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. During this time, your premiums are levels. Once the level term period ends, you can typically renew the policy on a yearly basis, but at a higher cost each time. If you want to cover a specific financial obligation like the year of college or debt, term life insurance may be a good fit for you. Term life insurance is usually the most affordable type of life insurance. So, as you can see, the first thing we have discussed about term life insurance is that its way and its application applicable, and typically renew the policy on a yearly basis but at a higher cost each time. Cost wise, it's really highly effective, but it's also higher cost than other insurance types. So here you can get your point that how we can implement this on our daily life. Now the next one is permanent life insurance. Permanent life insurance can provide lifelong coverage. In addition to the death benefits, permanent life insurance includes a cash value component. Here you can see a cash value component also involved in it. If the cash value builds, you can access the money by taking a loan or withdrawing funds. Okay, in that case, okay, if the cash value builds, you can access the money by taking a loan or withdrawing funds. You can withdraw funds at any time. You can reselect select your cases, your select your all businesses, etc. If you decide to end the policy, you can take the cash value of the policy minus any surrender charges. Okay, you can withdraw from your policy at any stage, and at that time you can refund your all payments without any extra charges. You can get it. Okay, consider permanent life insurance if you want to build cash value to supplement retirement saving or to provide a death benefit for someone who will rely on you financially for a long period. So here you can imagine the science of this all work of permanent life insurance, that how it works really. So if you want to build cash value to supplement retirement savings, if you let's suppose you are gonna retire from your job, or you are gonna quit your business. So at that point, when you don't have a handsome amount of money, a regular amount of money every month, you can also withdraw from this service. You can say permanent life insurance. If you want to build cash value to supplement retirement savings or to provide a death benefits for someone, if you want to redirectly or directly, indirectly or directly, you wanna give benefit to your parents, or your generally your son and your siblings, etc. So in that case, benefits for someone who will rely on you financially for a long period, permanent life insurance is more expensive than term life insurance. We have discussed already that permanent life insurance is less expensive, but in that case, when you are gonna redirect from this, in that case permanent life insurance is costly for you. Okay, now term types of permanent life insurance includes whole life insurance, universal life insurance, Actually, whole life insurance works for complete life, whole life, and universal life insurance can go for some area of time. Okay, and burial life insurance. So here's you can get to a point that how we can work with it. So according to me, related best life insurance companies, I'm gonna share with you best life insurance companies that will works for you. So here's are some best life 10 best life insurance companies expert rated in 2023. So the Pacific best for variable universal life insurance, best for Penn Mutual. The first one is Pacific Life. Okay, Pacific Life best for variable universal life insurance. So here you can see their plans of activity and much more things from where you can get your point. So next one is Penn Mutual. It works for best for seniors. Okay, seniors ager. Next third one is Protective, best for universal life insurance. And fourth one is AIG, best for recreational marijuana use. Marijuana use. Mutual of Omaha. And fifth one, best for generation Z and millennials. Okay, and sixth one is Transmerica, best for reliable policy illustrations. So this company works for policy illustrations, so you can compare with it that how it works and so on. John Hancock on 7th, Hancock on 7th stance, you can see, and it's best for celebrity cigar use. On 8th position, Lincoln Financial, great for estate planning. 9th position, Securing Financial or Milestone Life, best for indexed universal life insurance. And the 10th one or last one in this the is best for term life insurance rates. Rate wise, Symmetra is best. Okay, so this I hope this video will help you a lot. See